have an Excel file here with a list of names of people and the tours that they've signed up for. And here's the document I'd like that information merged into. So I'll go to Mailings and I'll click on Start Mail Merge and I'll choose Letters. And now Word will prompt me through the next steps. So it tells me to choose Select Recipients. I'll use an existing list. That will be my Excel file. And I'll tell it to convert that information. I'll choose OK. And next it wants to know if I need to filter the recipients. I'll click on Filter Recipients and I'll choose OK to basically not filter anything. Then it wants me to click on Insert Field. So I'll select where I want my first field to be inserted. I'll click Insert Merge Field and choose First Name. I'll select the name of the tour. Then I'll select the Number of People field. Next it prompts me to preview the results. Then I'll click Finish and Merge, and I'll choose the merge option I'd like.